Alright, so continuing on with formatting of a page here. We know how to now type in the title. We know that we've got the head that opens, we get the head that closes, and then the body starts. The body ends, and then we close out our HTML tag, which also started the document up here. So what we need to do is start to go through some of the different tags that are in HTML that you'll be using quite a bit. The first one's going to be the paragraph tag, and we've already kind of touched on that a little bit here. So what I'm going to do is open up a browser, and I'm going to go to a website called Ipsum. This is Greek copy, or just kind of dummy copy that people use to fill in kind of blank copy until they have the actual copy that they need. What it does is just kind of helps fill up and get an idea of how much copy might be actually going on a page or a document, whatever it is that you're going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the first paragraph here, and minimize my window. Now again, the first thing that we took a look at was the paragraph tag. So let's go ahead and type that in right now. Remember, it's less than, letter P, and the greater than symbol. Now again, with a lot of these programs, what's nice is that it'll actually, when you start to create the initial opening tag here, it'll create the closing tag for you just so you don't forget. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor in between the two there. I'm just going to hit return a couple times just so I got some room. And I'm going to go ahead and paste my paragraph tag in there. Now I'm going to show you two different things here. First, well, let's go ahead and save this first. And I've already got it saved as my index.html file, so let's go ahead and look at that in a browser. See, I don't need this anymore, so I'm just going to drop my file right over it. Alright, so here's my index file. Alright, because this is Greek copy, it actually thinks because I'm in Chrome and it's trying to translate it, I'll say, no, I'm fine. Alright, so I've got my first paragraph of text up here. Now, the importance of why I have that paragraph tag in there, I'll show you here. So I pull up my document. Now, just because I have a couple of returns in here, I could then start another paragraph, right? Now that looks like, if you were in a Word document or some kind of word processing program, this would actually work as two separate paragraphs. But if I save this document, and I come back to my browser up here and I hit refresh, you'll see that it all just blends together. It needs that paragraph tag to open and close to tell it when to start a new paragraph. So if I wanted that to be two separate paragraphs, I'll come back into my document up here, and what I can do is just open a new opening paragraph tag there. I'm just going to cut that one out, and I'm going to close it out up here. So you can see I've got the opening paragraph tag for the first paragraph on my copy, and then the closing paragraph tag. Now I've started a new paragraph tag, my new paragraph, and then the closing tag right here. So now if I save that one, and I come back to the browser, and I hit refresh, I should see two separate paragraphs here.